delicious. You guys try it sometime. It's really good. Yeah, it's really good. One time, I ate a whole thing of poop. About 6 pieces. It was good. Delicious. Yeah. Awesome. I'm really bored right now. I have nothing else to do. Maybe I can find, like, some stuff to do, like, read a book. I can't read any words, though. I don't know how to read. I can count to 50. I tried that once. I got stuck on 3. It was bad. But, yeah. I could, listen to music. No, my head would be completely submerged by the headphones. Just put earbuds in, but that would hurt, because my ears are tiny. They look at my tiny ears. They're really tiny. I got... What? How do I work this thing? Can I zoom? I don't know. What is that? Oh, okay. Well, yeah. Ooh, what's that? Alright, well, yeah. This is me, my vlog, first vlog. Guinea pig vlog. What do I do? I don't know what to do. Yeah. Let's go over here. Let's go over here. I don't know. Alright, yeah. Hey guys, Morty here, and, I just got to go back in on the squad. It's been a fun day, got people standing on me. I don't know what to do with it. There's something to do with it, but I don't know what. One time, I went to someone's house. Used, but now I have this owner, and he's fun. So I'm taking over his channel, so, that's gonna be really nice. But, on that note, I guess I'll end this episode of Guinea Pigs Vlogs. See you later, alligators, and I'll talk to you later, I guess. Oh, fuck, God. Oh, yeah, bye.